Hello, scholars. My name is Joseph Ejike Oji. In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to do simple random sampling selection. A simple way of saying it is to show you how to do simple random sampling. So, in other words, the video focuses only on the simple random sampling method. Now, what is the simple random sampling method? That is a natural question to ask. Now, a simple random sample is a sampling method in which every member of the population have equal chance of being included or selected in the sample. So it's a sampling technique whereby every member of the population have equal chance of being selected. You can do a good example. We have this Maryland lottery where all the numbers have equal chance of being selected. That's a good example of simple random sampling. We use it in research to avoid biasness. Okay. Now I'm doing this video for my class to show them how to do simple random sampling. And they have an assignment, a classwork that is due. And I did an example in the classroom, but I want to do this video as well so that they can watch it and also to use it as a guide for doing this assignment. Also, anybody else can watch this video. If you are doing a simple random sampling selection, you can also watch this video and use it as a guide. Now, there are three ways you can get this selections. There are three ways you can do this simple random sampling selection. You can either use the random number table, which is this one here. I hope you can see it on the screen. So I have already done a video on how to use the random number table to do simple random sampling selection. So now another method you can use is to use the calculator or a random number generator that you see in Google websites. Then, of course, the one we use in my classroom this semester is Excel method. How to use Excel to conduct a random sampling exercise. That is where this video is focused on. So those of you in my class watching this, you can use it as a guide to complete that assignment, the classwork 1. And any other person who is watching this video, you can also use it as to practice. All right, so let's begin. Look at the question I have, a sample question I have. It says here, suppose this is a sample. This is not the classwork 1, a sample. I'm going to call it a sample question. Okay, sample question. And make sure you're seeing this. Okay. So the question says, suppose a researcher wants to produce a TV show featuring in-depth interview with state governors on the subject of capital punishment. Because of time constraints, the 60-minute video, 60-minute program will have room for only 10 governors. The researcher wishes to select the governors at random. Using Excel, I'm going to change this to using Excel. Excuse me, I think question. So I wrote using the random number table, the table of random numbers. Well, because I have already done a video on that, that's when I do this. So I'm going to change it using Excel. Using Excel. Okay. You are required to help the researcher by selecting a random sample of 10 states from the 50 states listed below. These are the 50 states. Of course, your first thing you do is to number the states. So number your data set, if it is a different data set, whether it is medication or whether it is names of gas stations, whatever it is, the first thing you do is to give them numbers from 01 to how many they are. My own is 50 states. So I numbered it from 01 to 50. Now to generate the 10 states that will have the 10 governors that will be interviewed, you're gonna use this formula for Excel formula for generating random numbers. Remember, before you do anything in Excel, you must put the equal sign. So I'm gonna put the equal sign here. Let me make this a little bit bigger. Okay, this is the formula. Round between. Round between. Now put parentheses, opening parentheses. Now my own goes from 01 to 50. So I'm gonna write equals round between 1, 50. If your list goes from 001 to 1000, that means you're gonna do round between 1, 1000. If your list, or we'll call it sampling frame, if your sampling frame goes from 1 to 70, then you're gonna write round equals round between 1, 70. So again, my own goes from 01 to 50. So I'm gonna use equals round between 1, 50. This is the formula we'll put in Excel. So let's go to Excel and put this formula in. Okay. Take it to Excel. Here. Okay. So I'm gonna put equal round between. Now I can see that it pops out here. Double click on it. Put 1, 50. Close the parentheses, then press the enter key. See what the first number. Now I need 10. So I'm gonna click on this small box. See this tick. So watch my cursor. See my this cross is tick. Once I bring it close to this small box here, it changed to a 10 cross. At that time, click, hold, and drag down until you get 10 numbers. See, you can see from here I have 9. See 9. I have. If you look at the bottom, you can see it showed me 9, that I have 9 numbers. So I'm going to drag it one more time. So I have my 10 numbers. Now notice one thing. As you drag the numbers, see, look, if I start all over again, as you drag it, the number changes. See, they keep changing. See. Now, if you type any number outside there, even any number at all, and you see that it will change. They keep changing. So because of that, once you generate your list of numbers, stop there. Don't type any other thing. Then you get a piece of paper. This is for assignment for this classwork. So you get a piece of paper, write your numbers down. Okay. So I'm going to write them down, what I have on the screen. I'm going to write them down so that I won't lose them. I got 39. I got 11. I got 2. I got 50. I got 47. I got 29. I got 21. I got 8. I got 17. I got 48. So I got my, if you highlight it, you see that it will tell you how many they are at the bottom. 10, count, is it count, 10. So I have my 10 numbers. Now you have your numbers. This is for the sake of this assignment. You have your, now, once you generate it, you have your numbers. You have 2 options. You save this page, okay? Then open a new Excel page and type the numbers in, okay? So that this time they won't change if you type them in. 39, okay? 11, okay? 2, 50, 47, 29, 21, 8, 17, 48. Now we'll come back to this in a few minutes. So, but you save the page, save this one. Once you save this file, everything will be saved. Now you have selected your numbers. Next thing is to write your answer. In that case, you go to that question that I gave you in the class, okay, and type the numbers. The first number there is 39. What state has the number 39? You can see that it is, first of all, let me make sure you're saying this. The state that have the number 39 is, if you look here, it's Rhode Island. Rhode Island. Okay. The next number we have is 11. From Excel, you have 11. I wrote them down on paper, so you write yours down. Remember, this is a sample that you can use as a guide for your own question. Your own question is different from this. Your own question is medications. Okay. 11. The state that have number 11 is Hawaii. Let's type Hawaii. Okay. Next number we got is 2. The number that have the state that have is Alaska. Alaska. Okay. Next number we have. You can see that I did not put the numbers in order in my answers. Don't order it. Don't put them in order. That will make you to fail the assignment. You must write the numbers the way they are generated from Excel or from the random number table. 50 is the next state, next number, and that is for Wyoming. Okay. Next one is 47 will be Washington State. Washington. Next will be next state will be, we have 47. Next will be 29. What state have that number? 29. New Hampshire. Okay, Hampshire. Next one will be, well, I didn't spell it right. Let me correct it. New Hampshire. Okay. Next will be after we have 21. 21 is Massachusetts. Okay, Massachusetts. Spelling is Massachusetts. Okay. Next one is 8. What state has that number? 8. Delaware. Delaware. One is 17. Can see something is Kentucky. Kentucky. Okay, 17. Kentucky. I gotta correct this. Okay, the last number there is 48. 48 is West Virginia. West Virginia. So you can see, okay, that I've selected 10 states. Now this researcher can now interview the governors in these 10 states. When you look at my selection, you can see that there is no bias. Every state in this list of 50 states have equal chance of being selected. Now, this method of selection, which is the simple random sampling method, is so fair and unbiased that I'm from Maryland. I mean, if it wasn't fair, I would have selected Maryland. But it is so fair that even the home state of myself, who is doing the selection, was not selected. That will show you how fair it is. Now, For those of my class who are doing this as an assignment, remember this is a sample that you will use as a guide for your own assignment. Then when you finish, you save their page. I'm going to save this now. Save it. Okay. Now, then you save the Excel page, save it, and then submit. Upload it. Upload 2 files. You're going to upload the file that shows your selection and the Excel file that shows how you did the selection. This means to now don't go and type numbers and submit to me because I will find out. Don't go and copy somebody's work and submit because I will find out. Now, when I'm grading this, I'll first of all look at your selection. Okay. Then I'll look at your file. Then when I click at your answer here, watch me. If I click on this, it will tell me what you did here. See? Any of them. So if you cheat and didn't do the work, I'll find out. So please don't just do the work. It's very easy, as you can see from the example I gave. Very, very easy. And then upload both files for grading. It must be your Word document, which is this one here, and your Excel file. Don't upload a picture. Don't upload the PDF file. Word document and Excel file showing you your work. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you will find it useful. And I will see you in the class very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.